MV Caledonian Isles at 14 knots going past Whiting Bay. I'll just keep the camera still so you can see it's moving. This has been filmed from Whiting Bay, so this is me looking towards Troon at the moment. Troon is in the background. And the camera's not moving, the ship is. I'll just do it again. You can see the water in the front of the boat, moving nicely. That's its normal operating speed. It's gone all the way up and down at that same speed. That's looking quite hopeful, to be fair. That's looking good. Haven't seen it for a while. Back in full power by the look of it. Cracking camera I've got here, isn't it? I'm looking all the way across. This is on full zoom. That's why I keep having to move it. And even on full zoom, this camera manages to follow this ship. Oh. That's how fast it's going. Traffic in the background. I'm just sitting in the centre of Whiting Bay filming this. But again, there we go. Right at the shore restaurant, the public tables beside the shore restaurant. I'll pull the camera back a bit so you can see it a bit for a bit longer. There we go. Move along quite nicely. If tomorrow's the 17th, and I think it is, then it's due back to help MV Arran tomorrow, and then back in full service the day after. There we go. I'll zoom back in. Oh, moved the camera too much there. And off it goes. Okay. That's what's happening in Whiting Bay today. And that's how far away I am. Now you see it, now you don't.